Yeah, I hate hot clothes. Well, I am Leslie of LesAnn Creations, coming to you from my workroom. Hooty hoo. Alright, so before I actually finish this dress, I thought I'd speak about something. And it happens, excuse me, even when you know what you're doing. So, I actually put a zipper in this dress. It is a bodycon. My bodycons I don't like mine to fit, but sometimes they end up fitting okay or whatever. But I wanted to have a zipper in the back because of my pear shape. And it's going to be easier to get in. I ain't got to worry about makeup getting on it, So when I do zippers, and when I'm doing a princess zipper or invisible zipper, sometimes I have problems that come up and I have to address them. And when I don't put in this type of zipper as often, I forget until I go back to it. So putting in invisible zipper, let me explain it, I guess, so that it makes a little bit more sense. Hopefully I can grab one. I should have grabbed it before I started this broadcast, but y'all know how it is. As soon as you think you got it, something else happens. So, this is the invisible zipper, okay? You don't see the teeth on the right side. This is the right side of the zipper. You don't see the teeth. They're hidden in the back side. So, often certain zippers you see in dresses, or you see the actual teeth when you sew it in. I'll be honest. But this one, you don't see the teeth. They're hidden. Basically, the teeth are rolled just like this. And the best way to say it is like they're rolled. So there is channels right next to the actual teeth that you're supposed to sew in order to sew it in place. Now with most machines, this one's crazy, so that's why I forgot. I was actually with everything I want, I can't find. Alright, here it is. So this is an invisible zipper foot, and of course it doesn't help none that it's clear. Okay, I'll do a better job, and I'll probably post or put a picture somewhere in the screen of the zipper foot. But with the zipper foot, there is two channels that is on the zipper foot. There's two exact channels that goes parallel and allows the needle to go really close. It kind of moves the teeth over. Teeth look like this. This being the right side, and then the teeth round like this. There's a channel that you're supposed to stitch in, and your presser foot that you have is supposed to kind of spread it or move it over to allow you to get really close. The closer you are, the less likely you will see any of the zipper tape, which the zipper tape, and that's what they call the zipper. This is considered the zipper tape. Well, on this machine, I forget, because I don't use it as much. I haven't been doing zippers lately. I forgot that with this particular sewing machine that I have, y'all looking at my serger, but this is my regular sewing machine. And I usually just do, on this machine, this is my, it's a regular Singer Stylist, computerized, it has a computer on board, sewing machine. I do my buttonholes and double needle stitching, as well as like zigzag. Pretty much anything I need to do. I have a straight sewing machine and industrial machine that I use for pretty much anything else. But this does my zippers and stuff like that. Well, because that particular foot, for whatever reason, doesn't push the teeth far enough over to allow it to actually sew close enough to the tape. Now, some people don't care. I care how it looks, because it has a mind of its own. So I'm gonna actually have to go back and use a regular presser foot and actually sew a little closer. So if you don't sew it correctly, or your presser foot is acting stupid like mine is, you'll see this, where you actually see the tape. You'll actually see the tape in between. This, your seam, it should butt up against each other. The rows should be butted up against each other where you don't see it. The only time you know that there's a zipper there is literally when you're sewing it, unzip it. You should not know there's a zipper if it's installed correctly. Just right now, I have two different feet. One was a plastic and the other one's metal. I can't figure out where the metal one is because I haven't been using it. So I'm going to have to go back in, and literally I'm going to zoom in, and hopefully I can kind of show it and you can understand a little bit better. Hopefully. My camera's crazy, so it has a mind of its own.
I'll move you to my part table.
Okay, so I can see where you're at. Alright, so with this, because I like, oh good, I'm almost done with my dressing, I just basically got to hem it. So because it did not sew in well, you have the zipper tape is visible. It's a little bit closer on one side than the other. I don't know why. Sometimes the zipper tape will bunch up, so you got to keep on playing with it. So what I'm going to have to do, they tell you don't do this, but it has worked for me for years. Usually what I do is I actually take my iron and actually take the channel, because it wraps. Like I said, it literally is, it has a channel in it and it rolls, and that's where I'm sorry, I'm tired. I guess I shouldn't be doing this right now, but it is what it is. Got to do it when I'm thinking about it. But it rolls back in order to hide the teeth from visibility. So if you can get really close to those zipper teeth, you will have a spot where it doesn't show. Like I said, the metal one tends to push the teeth down further. So if you don't have, if it doesn't work or you can't get close enough, I have over the years, I use an iron and actually iron this flat. They tell you don't, but it has worked for me. Now I cannot guarantee it will work for you, but it has worked for me. But by it being flat, there is an actual, you can see the difference on how the tape looks, and you can get closer to it. The closer you are to the teeth, the more likely you will not see your zipper tape. You don't want to see your zipper tape when you are working with trying to do an invisible zipper. So I hope this information was helpful for you. If you have questions about what I'm talking about, or you want to see me actually sew in a zipper and do it right and not have work on it, then make sure you drop some comments below so that I can make sure the next time I actually show you. I'm just too tired to do it tonight, y'all. Forgive me. I want this dress done. Nothing wrong with it. I just want the dress done so I can move on to the next project. But anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. I'm hoping I'll have this dress done to be able to show y'all. I'll probably put it at the end of this video so you can see the finished garment. I only recorded part of it for part of it. Can't talk straight. part of it for a part of it. But yeah, I hope this information is helpful. I just need to quit talking because I'm tired. I'm going to go ahead and get some sleep. And then I got work to do tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, but you also can find me over on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so very much for your support, and I hope you enjoy the content. If there's a subject that you want to hear more about, please make sure you drop it in the comments below. Have a great day.